refrigerator, power cable, desktop computer, stove, power strip, laptop, washing machine, surge protector, printer, microwave, phone charger, modem, television/TV, wireless charger, Wi-Fi router, dining table, drawer chest, vase, chair, storage box, artificial flower, bed, plastic shelf, abajur, wardrobe, garment bag, sofa, mirror, rolling luggage, cushion, vacuum cleaner, steam cleaner, small rug, carpet, glass cleaner, wall-mounted TV, curtain, floor clean, desk clock, lamp, shoe polisher, blinds, dishwasher, fabric shoe organizer, table fan, toaster, garbage, desk, coffee maker, recycling bin, office chair, air conditioner, kettle, teapot, heater, folding table, toolbox, wall clock, stool, screwdriver, blanket, full-length mirror, hammer, pillow, wall key holder, screws and bolts, bed sheet, chest, pliers, nightstand, wall hanging, ladder, bedside lamp, painting, tape, dresser, wall poster, flashlight, oven, notepad, built-in closet, kitchen hood, kitchen sink, kitchen cabinet, thermometer, wicker basket, hanger, cutting board, picnic basket, rocking chair, kitchen knife, side table, electric fan, spoon, fork, knife, apron, paper clip, skimmer, plate, glass, cup, stapler, colander, pot, frying pan, grate, sieve, nail, saw, hand mixer, meat grinder, medicine box, food processor, spice rack, switch, socket, remote, clothes hanger, trash can, toilet paper, can opener, crushed can, plunger, can tray, mop, feather duster, lock, bucket, diaper bag, thermos flask, dustpan, broom, mug, clothesline, key, lid, ceiling fan, phone holder, strainer/sieve, iron, footrest, wall lamp, ironing board, magazine rack, candle, sponge, capsule coffee machine, stove lighter, soap, coffee grinder, laundry basket, toothbrush, sandwich maker, oven tray, toothpaste, rice cooker, kitchen scale, bathroom mirror, slow cooker, spice rack, shower, steamer, kitchen scissors, shower curtain, deep fryer, toilet brush, bath sponge, zebra blind, hand towel, water heater, door draft stopper, towel rack, ventilation fan, doorbell, radiator, shelf, razor, humidifier, game console, fuse box, ceiling light cover,